Xiaomi is working on something kind of interesting. These are earbuds that store inside of your smartphone. Now, this is super early. We're talking patent area. But however, if you scroll down, you get a nice little graphic here supplied, courtesy of Let's Go Digital, which shows you how those earbuds may work. In the top of the device, as you can see, the earpiece, so it looks like it's a two-piece structure with a little hinge on it. The earpiece connects to a longer cylinder, which probably has the communication components in it for Bluetooth, and then a tiny little earpiece which pivots on a hinge after you pull it out and then flattens when you insert it into the phone, top part of the phone. This is going to be hard for people who are just listening and can't see the graphic to figure out, but essentially just it creates a really portable thing that once it's in your phone, you hardly notice it. Now, the cool part about this is that when it's in the phone, it actually can act as extra loudspeakers. It could be speakers spitting out audio, regardless if it's in your ear or on your phone. Now, problems that could arise from this, obviously the hygiene component. These things are in your pocket, in your phone. You got all the lint and whatever else going into the grills, which appear to be facing upwards, and then you shove those in your ears. Most of the fully wireless earbuds, if not all, have some sort of a case to keep them enclosed when you put them in your pocket. That wouldn't be the case here with this particular smartphone. But it is interesting nonetheless, because how often does that thing occur where you need some headphones real quick and you don't have them on you? And in this case, they could be right there, ready to go in the phone.
And they're charged.
They're always charged, and they're charged off of the bigger battery that's inside of the phone. So there would be some engineering difficulties with figuring out the right way to do this, but it's interesting nonetheless to rethink some of this stuff. I'm not saying I'd be first in line to buy this, but I like to see these new ideas, even if they're only executed in the form of patents.